2025 in collaboration with BITSoM International.
If you're a BITSian, you don't just do one thing, you do multiple things and you wear multiple hats. And being a BITSian is great because you have all the help you needed. I would suggest try everything you can, explore, and sky's the limit.
I think I gave many little bits of advice, but I would say, tell everyone that life is filled with so many experiences and we must take the good and leave the bad and move on.
The students at BITSoM had really good, intimate conversation. You know, we shared stories, we shared experiences, and we shared questions and answers which really mattered to them.
The world is a very tough place, so keep your expectations moderate. If you have a high expectation, set a very high bar for yourself, the stress gets to be very difficult. Having a moderate expectation and beating it is better than having a high expectation and losing out, because losing out creates a lot of negative energy.
I think it was very gratifying, most of all, for me to do that. I think to be able to get questions, reflect on some of these and figure out what's going on in the youngster's mind today is very important. And personally, it just feels good to be able to talk to young people who have high energy.
The one thing that BITS has given us through the years, in all of my years in my career, is just confidence. Ki koi baat nahi, we'll figure it out. Sky is the limit. Challenge me, I'll get it done. So that courage, that resilience, I think just stick with it. Just remember, you're BITSian.
They should remember that they need to keep trying to find what they want or what they like by talking to a lot of people, learning a lot, that there are no ready-made answers to anything. Try to find work where you can be creative, because that is what will make it interesting.
I personally found the human library concept extremely fascinating. I'm sitting there with a whole bunch of students who are open, curious, wanting to learn. I felt like a wise old book trying to give some yarn on various topics, but it was an absolutely amazing experience for me.
It was quite interesting to know the students are very curious. They had genuine questions about their career, their confusion. They had genuine curiosity about my story, and they were able to relate how they can use my experiences. So they were quite sharp, and I enjoyed the session a lot.
Firstly, it was amazing to be at this campus. It's great to see so many BITSA alumni also come together and participate. Since our alumni is so tight, we would love to, encourage more people from the BITSoM school to approach alumni, for anything. So I think that's amazing to talk with the students.